Hi guys, this is Ishita Kumar and welcome back to my YouTube channel. The previous video you saw was just the travel, maybe like a few snippets of the day one. This vlog is gonna contain day one and day two. Now let's just continue with the vlog. This is fit number 1. Where, give a fit check. Where is it from?
It's from Shein.
So this is my fit check. This is from Yumi. First day out. It's called a red day. It's a red day. Mondays are red days. We are so dressed up and we've got to my favorite place ever. If you're a real one, you know what place this is. I know you can't tell by the looks of it, but we're at the Taipa. Time to eat. Guys, Akshu P keeps getting Argentina.
I keep getting that thing.
She keeps getting Argentina. I got Germany first, now I got Korea. We match Coca-Cola. This is called Coca-Cola branding. Coca-Cola. Let me take the first sip of Thailand Coca-Cola. Nails की दिक्कत हो रही है. अयो. तेरे से पहले मैंने ही कर दिया. Thank you. Thank you. Favorite noodles? झूठ पढ़ो. So first step is guys mixing it. I have zero idea if you can hear me by the way.
New York and Taiwan is so much better.
Mm. 10 on 10.
10 on 10.
I think she's saying it's for the sake of it. This is Akshita's first time entering the street. We're at this place by the beach and now we're gonna eat. I'm gonna eat my usual french fries. So tired.
Come on.
This is the first time seeing Akshita eat so much.
She's not listening to me, but if she takes one bite, I swear she will like fall in love with it.
Fall in love again and again. Guys, it's so hot. Look at my hair. I look like one bhutani.
The crazy part about this shit is she, I think just a few hours back, said that her hair's really soft. The weather makes the hair soft, but it makes it frizzy too. So just tied a bun in. Now I want to show you up.
Good morning guys, it's the day of Fifi Island. Hopefully it doesn't rain. This is Akshita's first time. Are you excited?
Yes, I am.
And this is my second time, but I'm still very excited. Look at how much humidity is there. I hope that there's... Yeah, she's trying to put sunscreen. I'm not going to be taking my camera because not ideal.
Not ideal according to her.
Obviously, I don't want it to get wet. Anyways, see you after Fifi Island. I'll be vlogging everything on my phone. Bye. Already 5 minutes late. Akshita's making us late. Sitting in the lobby. And guess what? Akshita went upstairs because she forgot to remove her earrings and stuff. Now we're waiting in the lobby for our van in the car. So we are about to leave. Look at the view. And it's so sunny right now. Touch view. Are on our way to the boat.
she swim?
No.
Did I swim?
Swim. The view is so nice. Walking in Maya Bay's National Park.
What the hell is that?
छिपकलियों की आवाज आ रही है.
Yeah, have you guys been to amusement parks where they put these artificial speakers to actually create that,
Effect. Sound effect.
it is amplified into 100 in the nature.
I see the beach. This is what I came for. Apparently Maya Bay is like known for the water, so this better not disappoint me. So guys, we have reached Fifi Island. No. Maya Bay.
Miami.
Now wait, let me just show you the view. Look at the view. It's so pretty. I'm in love. So guys, we've come on the second floor. See for monkeys, look for monkeys. And it started drizzling. Such a pretty view. That is not looking ideal. Guys, this is the most torturous. This is torturous thing ever. Look at China. I don't think
It's like I'm not overacting. I can feel it like burnt. I see.
So one thing that went wrong in this whole Fifi Island tour was that our feet got burned in Bamboo Island. So when you're walking from the boat to the island itself, there's a whole pathway, right? And they did not give us our shoes, like our slippers or anything to wear it and walk there. We were all bare feet and walking, and the whole pathway, whatever that was made of, is like burning hot. So we were literally running on it, and we got blisters because of that, because it was literally so hot, like it felt like fire. By the end, me and Akshita had blisters, and they literally had to put water on our feet with buckets because they knew how much it's burning there. That's what happened. I am eating dal khichdi in Kailash Parbat right now because I was missing Indian food already. घर की याद आ गई. Guys, we're walking on the streets of Phuket right now. अक्षिता फोन चलाते हुए, मैं ब्लॉग करते हुए. लाइटिंग तो अच्छी है. कुछ ज़्यादा लंबा नहीं लग रहा है ये वॉक.
हाँ, पैर शुरू हो गए ना.
Akshita is eating some mango sticky rice. I don't like mango sticky rice, so she will be having it.
Guys, I feel I'm still in the oceans. I'm so sleepy, I don't even know what I'm doing. Oh, yeah.
How much you rate it?
A 10 on 10.
We're about to enter that street again. Okay, guys. See you at Illusion. This place is so damn weird. Story time at home. Even though our feet was burnt, we ended up going and dancing our hearts out in the night. Now initially we went to Illusion, which is known as the best club ever. Maybe it is. Okay, maybe we went at the wrong time. There was literally no one there. The vibe was just not it. So we weren't feeling like we should be in that place. So that's why we immediately left. And while entering the street, we saw a Bollywood night, and Akshita really wanted to go there. But I wanted to check this place out because everyone talks about it. So we first went to Illusion, and then later we went to Bollywood night because now we're not risking it and we're just going to a place where we can actually dance. Let's just continue with the vlog now. It's a quick 7-Eleven run. Watching the match.